Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this stunning glowy soft glam makeup look showcasing a red bow lip. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. I'm first starting with some skincare. I'm applying the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on my dry patches, and then I'm picking up this Milani Prime Perfection primer and I'll be applying this all over my face to fill in those pores and fine lines on my nose and my forehead. I'll be using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer, and for my under eye area I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm using a different primer in this area because I have huge pores in this area, so I need a more intense primer as compared to others. For my foundation, I'm using the PAC HD liquid foundation in the shade 3.9, and I'm not applying a lot in the areas like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, as I'm going to cover it with a concealer, and applying too much product can make it look cakey. To blend my foundation, I'm using a damp beauty blender. You can always use a brush if you want more coverage, but I choose a beauty blender because I love that sheer finish on my skin. For highlighting, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shades Dark Nude and Beach Sand on my forehead, under eyes, chin and nosy. I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. I love how lightweight and creamy this concealer is. It doesn't cling on to my dry patches and it looks really natural on the skin. And to clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To give my face some structure and dimension, I'll be cream contouring in my cheekbones, on the circumference of my forehead, in my jawline and on my nose. I'll be contouring with the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade medium, and I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes to blend that contour. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be using a bronzer. This one's Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm applying this using my angled brush. For blush, I'm taking a cream blush, and this one is by Sugar in the shade Mauve Marvel, and it's going to go high up on my cheekbones, and I'm blending it using my angular flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To set my cream blush, I'll be dipping into a powder blush. This one is a very soft rosy shade from Ofra Cosmetics Signature palette with my angled brush. For highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by EBH Cosmetics with my fan brush on the highest points of my face, bridge and tip of my nose. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Light Shadow Palette. I'll first use this spray to brush my hair down so it increases seal on top and fill it in, and then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the very end, I'll use this spray one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Recover Concealer in the shade Deep Sand, and I'm setting the concealer with the I'm picking up the same shimmery shade Supermoon from Mercury Retrograde palette to brighten up my inner corners and my brow bone with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Using my Lakme Insta liner, I'll be drawing out a small wing in my outer corners. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using the same warm shade by NYX Warm Neutrals palette with my PAC brush in the style 126. For my waterline, I'm using a white liner and this one is by Flormar. And for lipstick, I'm using the shade In Vogue by Faces Canada. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one's Instant Fixation Prep and Prime by PAC. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be coating my lashes with some mascara, and this one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm going with the Ardell Double Up Lashes in the style 206. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a mauvish crop top and some traditional jewelry. I love how glowy and elegant this look turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.